Hi guys, I'm Carla Herrero and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I mainly did diet tips, makeup tutorials, and a little lifestyle vlog here and there. However, I had to pause my YouTube uploads due to ACADS, orgs, internship, and our house construction. So quick life updates, I'm finally done with uni. I've graduated with a degree in BSIT noong August 2019 and the house is also done and completed. So I have decided that this 2021 I'll be sharing with you guys the whole design process, the journey. So yeah, and quick announcements. I'll be having a giveaway somewhere here in this video, so stay tuned for the mechanics on how to win the giveaway. That's it for now. So see you at the end of this video, and without further ado, let's proceed with the room tour.
So for the room's layout, I initially wanted to place my office near the window. However, I wanted to also have a walk-in closet near my bathroom. So I decided to place the office near the main door, and thankfully, I realized that I could still see through the window at this angle or position. So it was a perfect spot for the office or work area. For the bedroom, I decided to place it at the left corner of the room for no particular reason at all. It just felt really cozy and comfy at that area.
So this was my room before we added the furniture, and you would notice that the room was a bit dark due to the light fixture as the bulb used was in a warm yellow color or tone. That was my main priority. I wanted to change the light fixtures into something more modern, and I also wanted to change the placement of the light fixtures. As you would see on the left side, I've added some IG stories of the whole furniture installation progress or the whole room makeover. But I don't really have that much video of me organizing and decorating my room, so I hope these IG stories would suffice for now. So congratulations to you for reaching this part of the video. I'll be now announcing the giveaway mechanics and the giveaway gifts. Okay, so first are the items that you'll be receiving when you win the giveaway. So here are the items. Then, for the giveaway mechanics, all you have to do is follow me on my IG account because I'll be announcing the giveaway winner there. Regarding the announcement, I'll be announcing the winner after 3 weeks of uploading this video so that more people could have the chance to join. Then, second is to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then, third, comment down below when you'll be seeing this goodie bag. So this is the same bag that you'll be receiving when you win, and also comment down below why you want to win the giveaway. So I'll be adding a format down there in the description box and somewhere here on the side. Then I think that's it. I hope the steps are clear, or if you have any questions you could just comment as well. I'll be responding to the comments down there. I forgot to mention that this giveaway is only open to those who are residing in the Metro Manila area for now, but hopefully in the future giveaways, I'll be reaching to more people outside the Metro Manila area. That's it for now.